for right now, so we're gonna go with the good money and good karma because that's what we do on Bobby and Coffee, and that makes perfect sense. We like that right there. That's just perfect. Boom. Let's keep it moving. Let's see. Here's my primary channel. So when you first come in, that's what you first see. Boom. That's offering our memberships, and it's showing you some of our posts. Then it's showing you some recent supporters. Shout out to Coach Sherry because she's definitely fan blam. You know what I'm saying? She definitely been one of the reasons why we been going hard with dropping her link everywhere because we know she came through and supported the Buy Me a Coffee. She's been a supporter, but supporting that Buy Me a Coffee said a lot. So we've been watching Coach Sherry also, but hell, we appreciate that. Easy Pop's been coming through showing love for a long time. Y'all know Easy Pop's been a long time supporter. You got the J Jordan, as y'all seen this last month, he paid his full year subscription. That's why I said 75 because members is normally about 40. But he dropped that hot 40 on us this month. Came through with his 1 year subscription. He paid for the full subscription, so he only paid for 10 months. And he gets 2 for free being a member. Shouts out to him, appreciate that. And of course, Melinda Elliott, a long time level 2 member. She's been in here since she's been in here. So we appreciate that. Yeah. But like I said, with the Bobby and Coffee, you got your memberships. You can set up different levels at different amounts. So you could go ahead and have I wouldn't have a free one. I'd have like $1 because you want people to say that they're supporting, and it's $1 a month versus nothing else. Then you go have a 4 or 5, and then a 10. But you could also offer a 1. But that's just for anybody that wants to get in. Yeah, you could become a member, and that's monthly support. You see what I'm saying? Then you can come up with what each level of membership, what benefits you provide for them, based upon the level of membership that they're giving you. Also, you dig? It's equal exchange. So make it fair, and that's what you do. As far as memberships. Yeah, like I said, I got the monetization coaching in on level 2 on mine, so that's a great benefit. I'm thinking about making it into a level 3 benefit, so anybody that ain't already got it gonna have it switched up on them. Like what happened? Yeah, you're new, so you no longer get that I'm changing that. So you better hurry up before I actually put it online. And you'll be like, well, didn't it used to be? Well, yeah, it used to be. Yeah, you're right about that. But anyways, another thing you can do with your Buy Me Coffee is your posts. You see what I'm saying? 'Cause guess what? The good thing about posts is off the chain. Buy Me a Coffee as a platform has gotten bigger over the years. So as y'all see, here's actual numbers from posts, right? Yeah, here's some numbers. Yeah, we're gonna show you the numbers too. You might not be able to see them on that screen, but hell, you'll see some numbers. We'll actually tell you what they are. Uh, like this one here. Yeah, this one here is 125. Boom. That one's 55. That one's 30. For the people that don't get views, you see, we get views. We don't be playing with you. You see what I'm saying? This is what your coaching gets you. It gets you something that's better than nothing. Because, hey, a fat goose egg ain't nothing. Let's see, we got a 39, 70, 84, 89, 101, 95. Yeah, shout out to the 95th Street. We'll hit that a couple times. You did. Hey, we appreciate them. Of course, you got a gallery, which let me see what I have in my gallery. I might need to do some updates on gallery because I didn't put too much in here. I think a couple thumbnails. Yeah, I ain't gonna kill you with thumbnails, but we got a couple of them in here. Shout out to that business license. I see that over there. That boy got that actual LLC. He actually doing his thing out here. You dig? We ain't faking with you. And then we got a picture of myself because I got to be in there somewhere. Remind y'all.